Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically share content on Facebook using an RSS feed with the help of Circleboom Publish. Let's get right into it. First, log in to Circleboom Publish. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and look for the RSS Feed section. Click on Connect a new RSS feed. Next, choose your Facebook account from the list. Now fill in the details. Paste the RSS feed URL you want to connect. Optionally, enter begin with or end with text if you want to add a specific message to your automated posts. Then set how often Circleboom should check the RSS feed. You can choose intervals like once a day, every hour, or even every 15 minutes. Also, decide how many posts should be published per check. Finally, choose what elements to include in each post, like the title, body, or an image. And that's it. Your RSS feed is now fully connected to Facebook. From now on, Circleboom will automatically pull new content from the RSS feed and post it to your Facebook account, completely hands-free. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more social media tips, tricks, and automation guides. Happy Circlebooming!